Hey guys, we got an interesting situation here. So I don't know if I can flip the phone around. Can you see that? We are actually in front of my house. We've got a swarm of bees that's growing. And we've got a bee guy here. And I went live. I went live for the bee extraction. This is called the bee. We got bees. So those are, look at, right there they are. So there's the bees. They just started showing up. I don't understand why. A fly landed on my leg just now and freaked me out. What's your name?
Nevada Bob.
Nevada Bob.
No, James.
Nevada Bob is attacking the bees. So there he goes. So he's spraying them down with water because he said they're thirsty. He's drinking some too. There he goes, up on the ladder. Let me turn this back around. See if I can. So they're drinking that now?
Yeah, the water also makes them a little heavier, so
oh,
they're
nice.
less likely to fly.
Oh, yeah. You sure it's just water? It smells like snops.
Oh, I wish. Did I say that out loud? After the gilly cutting.
That's right. Okay, guys, if you're just joining us, this isn't about Chuck and Hannah. This is about a crazy amount of bees on the front of our house. And I'm reporting live from Scottsdale, Arizona. And we have an unbelievable amount of bees on the front of the house. I'm probably within about 10 feet from them. He sprayed them with water and gave them a drink. He said it makes them kind of heavy so they won't fly. And then he's going to take a shop vac and he's going to take them with him so he can free them somewhere. So he's not a killer, he's a saver. He's a keep the world green, keep everybody happy, keep everybody safe guy. And he said that he's going to, I don't even know why I went live. You guys are probably all laughing at me right now. It's neat though. Look at, how often do you have like that many bees land on the front of your house? And they're just all just hanging out. I hope they leave me a little jar of honey. That would be special. I'm going to flip it around again and try to go closer. You guys know where I live. This is our little condo in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hannah just had chemo. We just got back. We pulled up at the house and seen the bees. We called the Beekeeper. He's here. Hannah's inside resting safely. Here he comes. He's got a hat and gloves. Hold on 1 minute. Flipping it around again. He's got gear, full gear. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Look at that. They're all drunk on snops now. Oh, they smells like peppermint. Tell me.
Right now would be a good time to take a few steps back. Just
Okay.
in case some of them get a little squirrely.
Okay. You're the pro.
Only on Wednesday.
Only on Wednesday. I'm backing up, guys, because he said they might get a little squirrely. So let's see what the process happens here. Your elbows are still showing. Are you okay?
As long as my knees aren't showing, I'm happy.
Your knees are covered. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not because of the vacuums running right now, but there's a large swarm of bees on the front of our house here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And this gentleman showed up. He's the bee guy. They are flying right past me. And he's got a vacuum and he's extracting the bees. In case you just tuned in, Chuck Keels live from Scottsdale, Arizona. We've got a bee situation out here. And we've got a gentleman who's a professional beekeeper. He showed up with his shop vac. And he's going to take them with him and free them somewhere else where they can make honey and not make me nervous. What do you got there?
Bees. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Queen?
No. A worthless bee.
Oh.
Lazy.
How do you know he's lazy?
Because you said it, Pete.
Ah. So what is this?
This is a drone. This is a boy bee.
Yeah.
See how big his head is? It looks like a fly.
Yeah.
Real stiff antenna, big wings,
Right.
big abdomen.
Right.
They have no stingers.
Wow.
So that's how I...
Wow.
So
That's amazing.
if he's fast enough to catch the virgin queen in air, the first thing he does with his back feet
Right.
is pull out the penis of the male in front of him. He
Wow.
puts his in, and as he ejaculates, his penis explodes and it tears off his body, and he either dies instantly or within a few seconds of shock.
That's a lot of information about bees that I don't know if I really care. Look at that.
I freak people out because I'll grab a male.
Yeah.
Slower.
Yeah.
Grab him out of midair.
Right? Wow. Look at that.
I haven't seen her yet, but I'm...
You got some of them. Did you guys hear that story? You will not hear me repeat that story. This is a live bee extraction in Scottsdale, Arizona. We don't know if they're Africanized bees. The reason why I mention Africanized bees, they will attack and they will kill. These are, now they're moving around pretty good. I'm gonna step back a little bit. He's extracting the bees as we speak. Hannah and Jax are safe inside the house. Is this crazy or what? He's taking the bees with him. I've never seen anything like this before in my life, so I'm going back live. Bee extraction, Scottsdale, Arizona. There are a ton of them starting to fly around because he's taken away all this activity. They're flying around. When I used to have a landscaping business, we actually got in a couple situations with bees. I'm not really scared of them, but if you got the ones that are set out to attack, I got stung 20 times in the back one time trying to get out of a yard where there was bees. So it looks like he's got the situation under control. Live from Scottsdale, Arizona. Bee extraction. I'm gonna flip it around one more time, guys. So what are they looking for now? There's a few left.
They're looking for their family.
Yeah. And then what will they do? Just leave?
Yeah. Here in a second they will.
Amazing.
This whole bucket.
Wow, it's full. It's full. And where do you go? Release them in the wilderness or what?
A farm.
A farm?
Farms in Mesa.
Oh, nice.
I'm going to show you here.
Let me do it this way.
Oh my goodness.
There's chicken wire inside the bucket, so they
Right.
have stuff to hold on to.
Right?
But all I have to do is just grab those 2 white knobs and pull, and
Let them loose.
a little shake.
Wow, look at that. There's still a few up there looking around, but
Yeah.
other than that,
Smelly stuff up
right on. All right. So that was it, guys. I didn't know if it was going to get exciting. I didn't know if anybody was going to get stung. No, I don't want to get stung. He said he can change that. Keep the top on that bucket. But anyway, there might be just 5 or 6 of them left on the wall. And he just took them, cleaned them all up. So that's it for my live today. Bee extraction from Scottsdale, Arizona. Thanks for tuning in. We love you guys. And we'll see you very, very soon.